How to speed up Snapchat videos. All you have to do is go here directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera section right now. First and foremost is you have to create a video. So let's say I'm going to create here. Let's say this video. So for you to speed it up is what you're going to do is here on the bottom part you'll see these dots here. Now, if you swipe through that, you'll see a lot of options here up until you see this snail and this forward here, this rabbit, bunny hopping, and then this super speed. As you can see, it also changes the speed to the Snapchat video. So if you want to speed it up, make sure it's either this or this feature that you want to set it on, and as you can see it will actually speed up the video. And if you do not have that feature, all you have to do is to go here to your app store or your play store depending on what device you have there, and go to Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you have updated the application. Now, it's very important for you to update your application because there are features that you can only access, such as this feature, once you update your application. So make sure to update on that application. And that is all for today. And that is how you speed up Snapchat videos. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.